Did you mind Chad playing with your piano before? There's a little light by your portrait. You could touch that and light it up to let us know. And there's a little teddy bear right there on your piano. You could touch him and light him up too, if you like. Okay, you like the little white box? Awesome, thank you. I really appreciate that. I think I'm gonna have to come back and visit you. You're doing so well.
Do you like the sound of the piano? Hit that light if you do.
Why, thank you. You're the first spirit that has ever actually made that little white box go off like that. I want to thank you. Do you like the two ladies here that run the library? Do you think they're doing a great job here? Oh, thank you. She made a noise over here.
Yeah.
Made some knocks. Thank you. Can you make a noise in here?
Wait, can you knock again?
Can you tap somewhere? If you would like us to go for tonight, could you light up that little light by your portrait? Do you get lonely here? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, we'll come back and visit you some more at night. But it has to be on Sundays. If that's okay with the ladies over here. Would you like that? Just light up anything over there to let us know. All right. Well, we'll come back at another time and talk with you. Thank you for everything that you've lit up for us and the tapping noises. And we shall return one day again. Thank you.